Hello everyone, welcome back. This is problem 5 of the 2005 AMC 10A. A store normally sells windows at $100 each. This week, the store is offering one free window for each purchase of 4. What does this mean? This means that every single 5th window should be free. Dave needs 7 windows, and Doug needs 8 windows. How many dollars will they save if they purchase the windows together rather than separately? Okay, let's see what happens if they purchase the windows together first. This would mean that they would have 15 because it's just Doug's 8 plus Dave's 7. So we have 15 total. So let's see what would happen if they purchased it together. So the first 4 would be 400. This is the first 4. Then it would be free. So you're saving $100 here. And this is 5, the 5th window. Another 400, save 100. This is the 10th. Another 400, and note that this is after 14, so they'll get the 15th one free, and save 100 here. So if they purchase them all together, they would save $300 if purchased together. But we're asked to find the difference between if they purchase the windows together or separately. So first let's calculate for Dave. So Dave needs 7 windows, so he would purchase the first 400, right? And get the 5th one off. He would save 100. And then he'd have 5 windows, so he'd only have 200. So that's the part that doesn't really matter, but he saves 100. And okay, and then Doug needs 8 windows, right? So he would pay 400 for the first 4, save 100, which would be the 5th window, and then he would spend $300 more on the remaining. So in together, they save $200 if they purchase the windows separately, and 300 minus 200, which is together minus separately, is just 100. So our answer should be A, $100. Thanks for watching. Hope I see you in my next video.